My loves, I am delighted to gift you this free printable of this lovely loaded pocket card that matches these items here. Let's have a look at this one first. Inside our lovely pocket card, which has got a design on the back that looks like that, we have got these beautiful, beautiful, beautiful little tags. You can decorate these with eyelets and bits of ribbon and so on if you want to. That's what they look like. Or there, like that. And this little loaded pocket has a hidden reveal, and you can slide this piece out and you've got all this lovely writing space on the inside. That just tucks in there like that. Your tags go in your pocket, and there you go, the free printable. Let's have a look at the items it matches. First off, we've got this card for Mom. We can slide it out of its wallet, open it up to reveal another card, and this card is a standing card like that. You've got these lovely butterflies on that will give you this 3D effect, and it opens and closes like that. So that's that item, designed for Mother's Day but works beyond Mother's Day. And then we've got the Precious Memories folding box. Let's take out this mini folio, show you this lovely folding box design. Then we've got this mini folio that's got beautiful images and tags and pockets throughout. Lovely sturdy little thing. And we've also got in this top pocket in the box this gorgeous little folio, and the folio has got a folding note card, and it's got all of these lovely cards in it as well. And they all tuck in this pocket here, and everything fits in the Precious Memories treasure box. So if you want to go all out and make a beautiful, beautiful gift for Mother's Day or beyond, there you go, there's your trio. Let's make the free printable. Here we go then, bits and bobs cut out, no reverse printing, 200 gram card. You can go 250 if you want, and this couldn't be simpler. We've got some scoring to do here and here and here and here, and I've done mine already. So I'm going to fold up my little tabs at the back of this pocket here. I have inked my edges as well, apart from that one. Let's just get rid of that back line there. Done. This is then going to fold up. Let's do it this way around. That's going to fold up there like that. Line that up just nice. This piece is going to fold down over the top, so we can make that happen also. I'm going to alter my line just a little bit there. Sometimes your scoring's not quite right, but you can alter it. Now there's a couple of ways that we can treat this, my loves, and I'm going to have a go at the trickier one. Right, so what I'm going to do now is just give myself a little less tab and a little more pocket. The original idea is that this glues down, this glues over the top, and there's your pocket to pop your tabs in. But what I want to have a look at doing is making this into a secret writing space. So by giving myself a little bit more pocket and a little less tab, I should then be able to slide this in between the tab and the card. Let's just see if it works before I glue it down. Yes, that does. I can do it. Let's do it. I'm just going to remake that crease again so that it will all fit. And now I'm going to glue my tabs straight onto the white card. If you want to just go with the pocket and you want to glue that down first and then glue this on top, by all means go ahead. Or if you want a little secret writing space in here, we can make that happen as well. So glue on my little tabs that are now quite little because I've made them a little bit shorter to give me more room on the pocket. I'm going to glue this up, stick this down here like this, just like this. My pocket is then just slightly wider than this backing section here, and that's exactly what I need to be able to then pop this piece in, and I've got my little hidden writing space in my pocket. That's perfect. And then I've got all of these tags that will go in, and if you want to get some eyelets in there, you can do. If you want to put some ribbon and whatnot in there, then you can do that as well. And that is as simple as your free printable is, with its lovely little hidden writing space. Perfect. Have fun with that, my loves, and don't forget that we've got these matching items as well. See you next time.